Welcome to this tutorial on creating a beginner's eToro watchlist. A watchlist is a list of financial assets that you are interested in and want to monitor. To start creating your watchlist, first log into your eToro account and navigate to the Markets section. Here you can browse through various assets such as stocks, currencies, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. To add an asset to your watchlist, simply click on the star icon next to the asset name. This will add the asset to your watchlist and allow you to easily track its performance. You can also search for specific assets using the search bar at the top of the page. Once you have added assets to your watchlist, you can view their current prices, daily changes, and weekly changes. You can also customize your watchlist by adding or removing columns, sorting assets, and grouping them by category. A well-structured watchlist should include a mix of assets from different categories to minimize risk. For example, you could include a few stocks from different sectors, a couple of currencies, and a commodity or two. This will help you stay up to date with market trends and make informed investment decisions. It is also important to regularly review and update your watchlist, remove assets that are no longer performing well and add new ones that have potential. This will help you stay on top of market trends and adjust your investment strategy accordingly. In addition to tracking asset prices, your eToro watchlist can also be used to set price alerts and notifications. This means you can receive emails or notifications when an asset reaches a certain price, allowing you to take action quickly. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a beginner's eToro watchlist that helps you stay informed and make smart investment decisions. Remember to always do your own research and consider your own risk tolerance before investing in any asset.